But now the next question is from Abhishek from Mumbai. He wants to understand the view for Zomato. Now it's been in correction mode since this last 1 month or so. In fact, we are looking at about 10% of a downtick he holds. If you look at his portfolio, he holds about 5,000 rupees profit in this one. Wants to understand whether it's a right time to book profits. Nilesh, I'll come back to you on this one. What is your view on Zomato? Do you think the recent correction is a good entry price, or he should rather book profits now?
Absolutely, Anshi. So, recent correction, I think it's a good opportunity to accumulate this particular counter because the stock has given a good run up near about 305 to 307. And since after that, we are witnessing some profit taking. Although there could be possibility of a further profit taking to continue towards 260 level. But ideally, one should buy in the range of 250 to 265. That could be a good entry point. One can keep a stop loss below 240 because 240 is a double bottom support for this particular counter. So as long as it holds above 240, the overall structure is kind of a buy on decline, and the position target for particular counter comes around 300 to 350.
Okay, 300 and 350 is something, the levels that we should be watching out for Zomato. Now next we have a caller joining us. This is A.N. Sharma from Hyderabad. Hi Mr. Sharma, I hope I'm audible to you. Can you please state your query?
Yes, I'm A.N. Sharma here. I'm calling from Hyderabad. I'm holding 10,000 shares of Corp Limited. Corp, so I'm holding it at 360 rupees. Recently, on the 1st of January, there was disclosure of selling of land stake in Navi Mumbai, which the company was holding 2,200 crores, and there was no further update. So I just want to know whether I should hold or add, or what do I do with Corp stock?
Yeah, that's a pertinent question, Mr. Sharma, and indeed, a lot of investors are asking this question at this juncture, and I see that you are making substantial losses. What was the intention? And when did you buy this stock? You bought this stock when everyone was talking about the prospects of the SEZ, right?
Yes, last year I bought it when the Atal Setu was been inaugurated by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi for Navi Mumbai SEZ.
Yes.
So based on that information and the news and the Navi Mumbai airport coming up, so I bought this stock at 360 rupees last year.
Okay.
In 2023 December, in fact, I could say.
Got it. Just a clarification, Mr. Sharma, so that my expert can give you the best possible advice. Is this part of a larger portfolio of stocks? Is this perhaps less than 10% of the value of your portfolio?
No, it's a larger part of my portfolio. I kept on adding this as there was a information which was being floating from the government about the Navi Mumbai SEZ, which was to be, and the airport to be inaugurated shortly.
Okay.
So based on all, I kept on adding it, looking at the prospect of the particular stock and the appreciation which I could get. And I kept on adding it. So hence my average is about 360 rupees for 10,000 shares which I'm holding.
Understood. And you are incurring quite a bit of a loss. Let me try and get you the best possible advice. Saurabh, a loss of as much as 15 lakhs at this juncture in this one particular stock. And you heard based on the prospects that he thought would emerge eventually, he has continued to add. But we know what the latest is. There was a deal that was struck. Reliance Industries set to buy 74% stake from that consortium at about 1,600 odd crore rupees, valuing the entire land, 5,200 acres, at about 2,200 crore. There are some that have questioned this already. And since that point, the stock price has been taking a battering. Would you sell at this point, or would you hold with the hope that there will be a recovery?
See, I think the market perception was that the land will be pricing close to 5,000 odd crore rupees. And after this, when the SEZ will be built and the airport operations will be done, these companies will be able to make a good amount of money by doing infrastructure activity on this piece of land. And now with this news coming in, the pricing of the land is actually halved, and that is the reason why the shareholders are selling this company. And now one thing is a possibility that some money is getting into the Corp also, which may it is only a expectation that maybe Jacob will come out with some kind of a special dividend, which will enthusiast some of the investors and may cheer up the stock price. So in that sense, I think one should wait for a while because the damage has already been done. I think maximum damage has already been done. So in my opinion, I think wait for some time, look for some kind of more news coming from the management.